Welcome to another Thoughts on Tech video. Today we compare the battery life of the Sjcam SJ8 with the one of the GoPro Hero 6. Both cameras are shooting 4K video 30 FPS and have stabilization turned on. I have similar micro SD cards on both cameras. The GoPro will show the total time recorded. Somehow the Sjcam starts counting again after about 9 minutes. On the settings, the size of the archive was set to 20 minutes though. The GoPro recorded for 1 hour and 17 minutes before showing the low battery sign. It recorded for about 1 hour and 23 minutes total before it turned off. The Sjcam SJ8 Pro recorded for 1 hour and 37 minutes, about 14 more than the GoPro.